How to fix Alchemy Factory is crashing on Steam. So first you will need to go to your library, right click on the game, and then open up the properties window. Now in the launch options box you want to type -dx11, and then you want to go to the installed files tab and click on verify integrity of game files button. Now once this is done, you can close out of this window, and then you will need to open up your GPU app where you can get updates. So if you have an NVIDIA GPU or NVIDIA graphics card, you will need to download and install NVIDIA app. You can basically look up NVIDIA app and download it from the website, and then go to the drivers tab and make sure to download and install the latest available game ready driver. Next, you will need to install the redistributables, and you can find them by searching for redist. Click on the first link and then scroll down to the second table here. Download the 86 and the 64 versions of them, both of these redistributables. And once you finish installing both of these, it will ask you to restart your system. Now, after restarting and before opening the game up again, you will need to run Steam as admin. Right click on Steam and run as admin. And then you can basically open up the game again, and this should solve the crash problem. Thanks for watching and subscribe.